This is me, to Demetri. The reason why you can't see my face is because I have a big announcement. I am quitting. I am giving away a free account to Anderson. So just, if you see this video, do not pick up the piece of paper that I'm going to give away. And to all of the Andersonists who are schooling in Anderson, doesn't matter for any grade, if you have a Roblox account, do not, please pick up the piece of paper that I left on the cover court. Now this is a big announcement because I am going to stuttering. Make your day because I am going to give you a happy free account. So to all of the grades that can go out during recess time, like I am, grade 5, please go to the cover court and find the paper that I left in the cover court to make your Roblox life happier. Now, you may be questioning, how can I, being a Roblox player, create an account without losing my original account? Easy. I log out, make the account, and start grinding for hours and maybe even days. And that's because I wrote my password on a piece of paper so that when I'm finished grinding, I can remember my password. So, and another question. How can you log into the account? Yes. So this easy. You log out, you type in the account details that the paper has, and then you play it. That's easy. And while you are watching this video, I am going to leak the account details. So the Roblox username, I will write it in the description because this video is coming to the end. So I am going to make your life happier. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is to Demetri, and see you on the next. Sorry for not posting.